Well, odds are you've probably heard of the Harvard Street Neighborhood Health Center. Since its inception back in 1969 on Blue Hill Avenue, it has continued to serve the neighborhood as a primary health resource through the delivery of comprehensive, patient-centered medical care. Its goal is direct to provide world-class clinical care in a safe and compassionate, patient-centered healing environment. Its staff is composed of highly qualified caring physicians, nurses, and associates dedicated to assuring that quality care is their priority. And now, under new leadership, Harvard Street Neighborhood Health Center is hosting an open house this Thursday, June 7th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at 632 Blue Hill Avenue in Dorchester. The open house will highlight the many improvements made to the facility, and it is free and open to the public. Here to formally invite the community is Harvard Street Neighborhood Health Center's new president and CEO, Stan Mclaren. Stan, welcome to Urban Update. Thanks for coming in. Great to see you here, and congratulations on the new job.
Thank you very much, and thank you for having me.
I understand that you're really excited to lead this new community organization.
Yes, extremely excited. This has been, Harvard Street has been in the community, like you said, for about 49 years. They've been providing quality care, and I'm extremely excited about serving the area. So this is an excellent opportunity for me, for my family actually, and to just serve in the community.
Now, I understand you're a local guy, Dorchester man, I understand, so that's got to make this even, maybe more meaningful for you.
Yes, it is more meaningful, and one of the main reasons it's more meaningful is because when you're talking about providing care, I'm talking about providing care to my neighbors. I live about 5 minutes away from the health center, so I'm in the community. I speak daily to folks in the community, and the idea that when we provide services, we are affecting the lives of people that are next to me. It's an awesome experience, and it's an awesome position to be in, to be able to serve this way.
And I guess, what would you say makes this place so special, this health center?
I would say the people that we have, and not only that, but the quality of the service. We have a very diverse set of employees, and so the people is what I would say.
Now, I know you speak highly of your staff. Could you talk a little bit more about, with our viewers, about the team at the Harvard Street Neighborhood Health Center?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, we have a diverse team. We have people from literally all throughout the Caribbean. I mean, if you think about it, we got folk from Africa that work there. We have folks from Dominican Republic. So we have a large Latino contingency. We have African Americans that work there. So it's a very diverse staff. It is reflective of the community that we serve. The other piece is, and again, I can't help but say this, is the quality. The quality of care there is very good. We have dedicated staff that have been there for a while. Our dental director, Dr. Okereke, has been there almost 20, 30 years. We have staff that have just, when patients walk in, they're communicating with the patients because they've known them for quite a while. I've talked to patients that have been coming to the health center for over 20 years and that have been dealing with the same providers. So, so I would say the people and our diversity and the quality of care that you receive when you come through the doors. And not only that, we have a very welcoming environment.
Talk a little bit more about, I guess, you talk about the quality of care, you're talking about world-class health care, what you're trying to do. Just describe the care that folks are getting there.
Well, I mean, it's patient-centered. And when you talk about patient-centered care, what you're talking about is that the patients are involved in how they receive their care. I believe our staff are extremely involved with regards to making sure that patients know what's available for them. And so, when we're trying to reach an underserved population, some population that doesn't necessarily always access care, it's important that we're inviting, and it's important that we're making sure that they're participating in their wellness.
Now, what about the upcoming event later this week? It's a free open house, right?
It's an open house. It's free to the community. We're going to have music, dance. I mean, it's a celebration. It's not only it's a celebration of the 49 years that Harvard Street has been serving the community, but it's also an opportunity for the community. We want to make sure that we're outward facing. It's an opportunity for the community to come on in, see the improvements that we've made to the health center, and not only that, get to meet the various departments and the different providers that are there.
What are you going to try to showcase at this?
We're
open house?
showcasing the different departments that we have. We're showcasing the providers. We'll have our providers will be there. We're showcasing how we've spruced the place up. We're showcasing our diversity. We're showcasing the quality of care that we provide.
And I guess what's your message to the community for people? You know, we've often done shows about the men never want to go to the doctor and so forth. What do you want to? Why are you working so hard to reach out to the community?
I want to let them know that it's convenient. You don't have, I had a conversation with a friend of mine, and one of the things they made a comment about was, man, if I want to do anything, I seem like I have to go downtown or whatever. And what I'm trying to communicate is, you don't have to go downtown to get quality care. It's right here. It's quality care near home. It's convenient. You can just walk up the street. We're at 632 Blue Hill Ave, and we're right there.
Okay, Stan Mclaren, President and CEO of the Harvard Street Neighborhood Health Center. Congratulations, and thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you so much.
All right, that's it for this edition of Urban Update. I'm Byron Barnett from all of us here at Urban Update. Have a great Sunday, everyone.